Okay, so I've gotten to the part on this song where it sounds very, very familiar to me. And I figured out why earlier this day. Right there. Right there. You heard that? Oh, yeah, also don't mind the Discord beeps, but did you hear that? Yeah, that sounds very, very familiar. Don't you think? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this was the one that I remembered. And this is the one that I thought of. And this is the one that I realized was the exact reference. I have no idea how, but I got this. Yeah, it's a funny story. Imposter ejected, versus Imposter OST defeat. That part of the song sounds exactly like this. Don't mind that. I will assure you that I have no idea how I got that reference, but good news, I got it, so you don't have to.